Software-Defined Wide Area Network, or SD-WAN, brings a software approach to the management and operation of wide area networks. This cutting-edge solution can help reduce costs, increase performance, enhance security, simplify management, and improve user experience. There are 6 main components to Aerohive SD-WAN. 1. Centralized orchestration. Aerohive's Hive Manager is capable of administering a globally distributed SD-WAN consisting of XR routers through a single interface. When compared to legacy solutions, this approach improves efficiency and visibility while reducing complexity and cost. Hive Manager is available as a public or private cloud option as well as an on-premises virtual appliance. 2. Policy unification. With Hive Manager, all routers can be governed with a single policy, and a template can be used that stipulates a central configuration. The same setup can be assigned to multiple routers with a few clicks. This policy can later be updated while keeping configuration synchronized across the entire WAN. A major advantage with Aerohive is that SD-WAN and SD-LAN can be combined under a single unified policy for network-wide enforcement. Merging the two also provides a consistent user experience. 3. Zero-touch provisioning. XR routers can automatically discover Hive Manager and be provisioned with a policy. This allows for updates and configuration to be applied within minutes. Zero-touch provisioning enables new branches to be brought online quickly without costly on-site installation. 4. Link state monitoring and dynamic path selection. In the event of a link failure, link state monitoring ensures traffic is always directed over a working connection. Combined with dynamic path selection, packets can be distributed across multiple connections in real time based on link quality. More than simply providing link redundancy, this ensures traffic is directed over the most optimal path at all times. This equates to a WAN and VPN connection that is always performing at its best. This also provides a platform for dramatic cost savings, where dedicated MPLS links can be swapped in favour of more affordable broadband lines. 5. Application and identity-driven policies. Block, rate limit or prioritise applications and services for select individuals or groups. Combined with dynamic path selection, these services can also be bound to predefined uplinks. Aerohive makes this process more effective with SD-LAN to SD-WAN mapping for unification of security and traffic policies. 6. Auto VPN. Securely connect remote sites together without the need for a dedicated and expensive private network. A virtual private network enables remote workers or branches to access resources at HQ. This may be a local file server, database, or printer. Auto VPN establishes highly secure IPsec tunnels between remote sites with an XR router and an Aerohive VPN gateway at HQ without user intervention. This functionality enables flexible, effortless, and cost-effective VPN deployment and management. In summary, SD-WAN means easy, trouble-free management of thousands of remote locations through centralized orchestration. It means effortless zero-touch provisioning, allowing the WAN to expand without administrative overhead. Benefit from enhanced security, ensuring users only have access to the services that are permitted. Achieve optimal WAN performance, where the services that are permitted are responsive and available. Auto VPN empowers remote offices and teleworkers to work more efficiently with secure and seamless access to HQ. And lastly, business continuity with constant uptime, no slowdown, and no interruption. If you'd like to know more about Aerohive SD-WAN, please visit aerohive.com/SD-WAN.